Hello to dear friends, followers, listeners, who are you all? Hope all will be fine and doing very awesome. Today I'm going to share a strategy with you guys, so please watch this video till end so you guys understand it clearly. And first of all, I will request you to guys, if you have PC, a laptop, and other device that have MT5 in Windows, okay, download shape supply and demand indicator is free of cost on Google. Just simply go and search supply and demand indicator EX5. You will find the indicator, okay, and once done, simply go and install and follow support and resistance. And if you don't know how to use support and resistance, watch my previous video. I updated the video how to use support and resistance and how to trade using supply and demand. Okay, so let's get started. The strategy, how this strategy works, how this strategy is set up, and all thing I'm gonna share with you guys. This strategy is for all binary indexes, boom and crash, step index, volatility, all one to all indexes. So let's get started and set up the strategy. First of all, we need the moving averages. This strategy is based on 1 2 3 4 moving averages. There's no any other extra indicator in the indicator window section. It's only on main your chart. So let's get started and set up the strategy. So what is the strategy? First of all, we need to go to indicator section and follow the trend section and click on a moving average. First of all, you need to pick the 100. Okay guys, just simply click on 100, click on the next, and done. There is no any. What will be the method? So method will be, look here, smooth, okay, apply to weight close HLC C4. Okay guys, and choose any color, any pixel you wish. Okay, simply click on done. Okay, the first moving average is added on your chart. So let's go to back a trend section, click on a moving average, simply go for another moving average, and this will be 120 period. Okay, so let's change the period and click on next and done. There is no shift. Apply the same method. Okay guys, and just simply go and choose the color. I will choose this one. Okay, and simply click on done. And look here, 2 mega average is set up, and we need to set up 2 more moving averages. Okay, so let's go for another moving average. Just simply click on moving average, and this one will be 13. Next, done. Exponential, apply to close. Okay, choose any color you like, simply click on done. Okay guys, there is no any recommended color. A lot of people say which color, green or red. No, there is no any color. The moving average is slow and fast. We call slow days and fast. Okay, this is the day calculation of previous candle history. Moving average always give us a previous candles calculation data. As if you click on done, this is the 9 period. Set will be 0, method will be exponential, apply to close, choose any color you like. Okay, and simply click on done. So that 4 moving average, just to set up the finish, just setting 4 moving averages. Okay, if you're using the PC, how this thing is looking on PC, watch this picture. Okay guys, so let's see how actually this thing is working mobile phone. So first of all, you need to follow any time frame. If you wish and one time frame, you can. How to trade using this strategy? Once that moving average cross each other, once that moving averages cross each other, okay, you just simply need to go for, look here, once that moving average cross each other and go upward, so it's mean go for and buy trade. Okay guys, so here is the crossover, that moving average. The slow moving average is crossing the fast moving average upwards, so it's mean the direction is bullish and you will go for buy. You can use this strategy for scalping. Okay, look here, a crossover, that slow moving averages, that fast moving averages crossing the slow moving averages, so it's mean go for and sell. Okay guys, and look here, is the market is in a downtrend. Look here, once that moving averages cross each other, okay, and after crossing each other, look at this point, okay, that the slow moving average is and the fast moving average is crossing, and that the market started going downward, so it's a clear sale. So this strategy also an awesome for you to on a boom and crash. If you wish on a boom and crash, look here. I will request, let's see, I will request you guys to please use an M5 time frame if you wish to trade on boom and crash. Here is the M5 time frame, okay, so you guys will earn awesome pips without fear of emotions. Okay, look here, a bullish trend, clearly a bullish trend is started from this point. Okay guys, I'll look here, started from this point, a bullish trend, okay, that moving average is crossing each other and it started going upward. So this is the bullish trend, and how to make profit using this, just simply when you enter your trade, look here after crossover, here is the crossover and you enter your trade, where will be your stop loss? For your stop loss, pick the horizontal line and the previous low point. Okay, here is the previous low point. Put your stop loss here, and please, please, please don't say that the stop loss don't work in boom and crash. Okay, I don't want to listen in comments, and please don't comment and say the movie boom and crash don't accept the stop loss. Why not? The stop loss help you to limit your losses. So please don't say that the stop loss don't work. If the stop loss is not working in boom and crash, so how spike come and you out from market? So if it's working, so you were safe. Okay, if the stop loss is not working, your account will burn it just in few spikes. So please don't say the stop loss is not working. The stop loss is working in a boom and crash. Okay, so you just need to follow the instruction as given in this video. And look here, here is the sell trade after it cross over the moving averages, and once you see that moving average crossing each other downward, where will be your stop loss? Simply pick the horizontal line, the previous high. Look here, here is the previous high. Okay guys, if you don't wish to go for long stop loss, you can look here the previous high point and put your stop loss. Okay, and look here a very low stop loss. Okay, and look here what is your profit. Just control your emotions please in trading. Okay, look here at this point that the moving average is crossing upward. Okay, and you entered, and here is the your stop loss. Sorry, here is your stop loss, and the market went upward and you made few pips. Look here till here. Okay guys, so it's really very easy to understand and very easy to make money using this strategy. This strategy is going to help you to easily catch the spikes and easily catch the trend. Look here, the trend direction is started going down from here. Okay, just simply still here and pick your stop loss, the previous high point, and just wait market give you pips. No emotions allowed in trading. Okay, no greed allowed in trading. We use the money management and they make awesome profit using this trading. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys get this helpful. Okay, and please let me know about your feedback in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Please hit the subscribe button. Also like and share with your friends and make profit using this strategy. Thanks for following today's profit house. Please subscribe our YouTube channel. Hit the bell icon so you guys receive latest videos notification on right time. Thank you.